Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today is a very strong day. Today is the 21st of June when the day is the longest and the night is the shortest. So let's tap into the energy of the day. Let's embrace the sun. Let's embrace the yang energy. Do a little bit of tapping, a little bit of movement to make us feel good. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, you want to enjoy longer routines or watch YouTube videos advertising free, you can always join me on my membership site. You can find more information in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground, extending your roots, connecting yourself to the energy of the earth. Unlock your knees, keep your hips relaxed, then bring your tailbone forward and lengthen down to help you open and relax the lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed, your chest relaxed, your belly open. Bring your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. Taking yourself higher and higher, extending through your spine all the way to the sky. At the same time, relaxing the rest of the body down, feeling grounded and connected. I'm going to begin with a twist and turn exercise. Bring in a little bit of tapping as we do that. Let your hand land just before the belly button, just under your belly button. The other hand lands on the lower back. This helps to stimulate vital acupressure points, the yin and the yang energy in the body. Keep your knees slightly bent, your body relaxed, your spine straight. And just simply enjoying that pleasant stimulation through your abdomen, through your lower back. Nothing intense, nothing unnatural. Good. From here, we're going to slow down. And we're going to tap the back of the shoulder and under the armpit on the rib cage. Shifting the weight from one leg to another. Lifting your heel off the ground. And then begin to switch sides. The back of the shoulder and under the armpit. Stay focused. The sensations are getting stronger and stronger. Trying to loosen up through the upper back. Feeling the nice stimulation on your ribs. Relaxing the muscles between the ribs so we can breathe better. Breathing becomes more efficient. A few times. Then slow it down. Slow it down. Good. Lots of stimulation, but that's that natural boost of energy. It's very beautiful first thing in the morning. From here, we're going to tap the bottom of the neck, then the last floating rib. So your hand will land there, and then the last floating rib. And also swinging your arms. Engaging your lower body, moving your torso. Find some mobility through your hips. And see if you can land right at the bottom of your neck. Let me show you the side view. So the movement is quite simple. Get into the rhythm, get the momentum. Good. Last two. Oh, stay grounded, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Just checking in with yourself quickly. Feeling all the activation in your torso, in your upper body, down your arms. Good stuff. From here, we're going to swing and rotate sideways. This is a great opportunity to loosen up through all the joints in the body. This should feel very soft, very pleasant. Again, bouncing into your feet. Keeping your spine nice and straight. And allow yourself to be free, to be joyful. Embracing the day, embracing the energy of a new day. And if you feel a pull or your back is sensitive, just limit your range, but you can still be free, allowing that spontaneous movement to happen. Good. A few more times. Slow it down. Slow it down. Again, return to the original Qigong stance, Buji stance. Relax. Okay, and from here, make your stance a little narrower. Feel free to even bring your feet together. And we're going to come up on our toes, and we're going to bend the wrist. So you're kind of mobilizing the entire body. Shoulders stay nice and relaxed, but the spine and the crown of the head are nice and elongated. And then we shake, nice and loose. Shaking down, shaking the chi. So we're going to repeat a couple of those. And shake. Again, another opportunity to shake things off, to get rid of things that no longer serve you, that feel stagnant, feel heavy in your body. Just shake it off. Feel that vibration traveling through your body, through the bones, through the muscles, through the tendons, through the internal organs, all the way to your brain. And one more. Shake it loose. Checking in with yourself, taking our time as much as we need to simply be aware, be alert, and present. Then take a nice deep breath in, gathering the good chi, and bringing it in, pouring it through your center towards the lower dantian. Inhale as you open. Full breath here. Exhale, gathering your attention, gathering the energy within your body. Our bodies are like reservoirs. So if we have it open, then we can pour more stuff in. So keep that in mind when you practice. Relax in the body, relax in opening the joints. Allow the energy to penetrate freely and restore and nourish. Very good. Last one. hands to the belly. Close. Bring your feet together. And finish your practice. You can stay here to simply notice how you feel, to be with yourself for a few more seconds, or you can finish your practice here. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, maybe share it with someone who can benefit. And as always, until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.